So the Trolex battery pack for the portable kit for the AirXS consists of 2 batteries and a charger. Each battery connects to the actual battery pack output. So you turn it on and it will give you, let's turn it on. So you'll see the 2 batteries are live, but at the moment we're showing a fault because we have no connection on the end of the unit. When the unit is connected to the AirXS, the fault light will extinguish. You can connect 1 battery at a time, or you can connect both together. And then to charge the batteries, disconnect from the battery pack and you use this charger, which is also included, and you connect to your battery pack that you're going to charge. Plug this in to power and leave it charging. It generally takes about 5 to 6 hours. Once you've charged 1 battery, switch over to the other battery and then the other battery is charged. Once you're using the kit, you can connect your batteries up. 1, 2. You can power on the unit, close it, and away you go.